Now let's look at the options right down at the bottom. If we click on custom wrappers, here we can change the wrapper for specific regions as well as the outer wrapper. So here you can see wrapper for header. Let's change this one to say a header, and let's leave wrapper for left, wrapper for right as div, and let's change the footer wrapper to use the footer element, and then click on save. Now, what do you think will happen? Well, if we refresh and then inspect, and then just close a few things, you can straight away see that our group header now is using the header element, and our group footer is using the footer element. So if you want, you could actually use the aside. I think that's it. Let's just have a quick look. If you want to be semantically correct, here you go. You can use aside element for the right because the body field is in the left. You can do all sorts of stuff. And then down here, you can even add in layout attributes. So if you wanted to add in such as a data value, which then you would use JavaScript to manipulate. So you could add in data ID and then put in a pipe. So this will be the attribute and then this will be the value. So let's just call this, I don't know, ID-value just to demonstrate it. So if we click on save and then refresh, we should see our attribute right here. So there you can see it right there. Sometimes it can take a bit of getting used to when you're looking at the markup because there is a lot of markup. But here you can see data ID and then the value is ID-value. So let's just clean that up. So it's all as the default.